people, so this is my 8th video of the day, and moment I start reaching my 8th, 9th, 10th video, I start feeling so happy. So but people, see, much like my favorite product reviews, this is atta noodles, which is green chili, you know, Maggie. I mean, like, it's my comfort food, yeah, and I'm sure it's the comfort food of so many people out there. So I've as a review, from a review point of view, I think in the Patanjali line of products, this green chili flavor is the best, according to me. But seriously, it is really good. So for anyone who enjoys their Maggi to be as very, it's got a tang, green chili tang. And I have to say this, yeah, the Patanjali brand is very, it has very desi flavors, So I think that is very important, really, because I mean, those of us who like our sort of normal Indian food, the Patanjali brand wins hands down, even far more than the other brands in the market. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.